What am I doing? Well, I'm actually just sat here waiting for the meat delivery lady. Because normally when she comes, she hammers, you remember that game like track and field where you hammer the button? She does that to the doorbell and normally wakes up Juliet. So she's having a nap and yeah, I'm here on guard. And killing two birds with one stone, I'm actually preparing my wheel hub caps to make them a bit more Porsche. Edith's nail varnish remover. Shh. It's really good, by the way, if you want to get glue off anything. Mrs.'s nail varnish remover. Where's my nail varnish remover going? I don't know. I couldn't find any at all online that actually fitted my alloy wheels, but I'll show you one I made earlier. I think it was an improvement on just like the matte black. But yeah, welcome to another edition of my Lazy Sunday video. Well, actually it's Saturday today because I learnt a lesson. I've learnt a lot of lessons. In my first weeks of daily vlogging, I've learnt lessons and failed. Actually, yeah, I feel like I failed. I felt pretty down yesterday. My older brother had to give me a pep talk and everything. Yeah, I kind of felt, one, I was pretty upset that I missed a couple of days, but that wasn't really what was getting me down. I felt I was going to finish the week and actually hadn't moved anywhere to get to what was the main goals. Going back to my book, what have I was healthy, I stayed fit, I did my workouts, but did I actually do anything to improve my circumstances? I don't think so. No, that wasn't the plan. That wasn't in the book. But I guess some things, yeah, don't change. And I'm not surprised, really, at my reaction, because it's been the same reaction I've had since being a kid. Authentic, mate. Let me explain. When I was a kid, the thing that used to make me the most anxious of all was when I used to sit there, and it was when you had to read books out to the class. It would go around the kids and I'd be like, oh my God, it's my turn next, it's my turn next. Now being a dyslexic kid, having to read out loud and stumble across your words because you're so bleeding nervous, hey, it gives me the shivers just thinking about it. What did I do? I just act like a clown. Flick the old class clown button. If it gets you kicked out of the class, getting kicked out of the class is better than reading to the class and making yourself look like an idiot. Yeah, in my day, if you were dyslexic, that was it. You were special needs. My name's Forrest Gump. Not that I'm bitter about it at all. The people that could read damn good and were lame at maths and didn't have a clue how the world actually functioned, science or engineering, that didn't matter. Because if you could read good, you were the smarty one. Oh yeah. Definitely not bitter about it. No. Ain't nothing wrong with being dyslexic. So yeah, faced with another big challenge that's everybody's now watching and I'm feeling anxious, what do? Well, exactly the same as I did in that classroom. Act like a clown. Make people laugh. That's easy. That's like my go-to. Popcorn, lulicorn. Doesn't get the doing done though, does it? Yeah. That's upset me. But it was fun, right? You're the man. Yeah. Do you want to go and see Big Wood, Lucia? Cool, she does. And exciting. At points. So next week, no more clowning around. No, next week I'm actually going to make a video on Sunday, tomorrow, big match tomorrow, and we're going to be making some crepes. French posh word for pancakes. So yeah, next week, turning down the funny business, time to get serious. It's time to start selling some cars. Yeah, I'm excited. New projects, new big challenges. That's what it's all about. That's what we need to start working towards. Thanks as always for your support. I hope you have a great Sunday, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. About today. Tomorrow? Today. I'm confused. I'll see you soon.